Hey guys, Joe over here back with another video, testing my audio. It was a little funky last time. Just wanted to tell you about Vim plugins. I've been using Vim for a very long time and I didn't know, I knew they had plugins, but I never used them. So let me tell you where to get started there. Shoot, I lost the page. Vim plugins. vim-plug. It's called vim-plug, I think. vim-plug. No. Okay, hold on. Let me find it. Shit. Here it is. vim-plug. I'll put this in the GitHub. Minimal plugin installer. Looks pretty cool. It's kind of challenging to get set up. Basically, on Linux, you just run this command. If you want to automate that, like put that in your vimrc so you can copy it to multiple machines, you can just run this shit. Just paste this in your vimrc, it'll download it, and it'll check if it's already there before it installs it. Anyway, you get that working, and then you need this plugin. You don't need all this shit, this is just examples. But you need the call plugin begin and the call plugin end at the bottom. And then and then you just type colon plugin install once you reload Vim, and it installs all the plugins. So the reason I did it was I'm learning the V programming language, and I went to the documentation. Well, I was going through the documentation, but I was going through I looked at VLang Vim, and I found this, which is support for V in Vim. And you just have to add this inside that plugin call. So in your vimrc, once you have it installed, you just put your plugins here. So you have the plugin begin and the plugin end, and then you list all the plugins you want here. I'm sure there's hundreds of these by now. So I don't know what the good ones are. If you have any comments or recommendations, let me know in the video. But then you type plug install. It installs them. You can quit that. And then if you want to play around with V, like what I'm doing, you now have syntax highlighting. It properly formats and recognizes the language, which it wasn't doing before, which is why I went to go look for that. So anyway, check it out if you're interested in V. It's kind of like a competitor, much more simple, but looks promising. I think it's a year old or so. Well, they've been working on it a couple of years, but they released 1.0 a year ago. But you can compile down to a binary. It's supposed to be super fast compiler, faster than C or Go or Java, Rust. See, they're saying like a Go file will take 525 megabytes and takes a minute and a half to compile. A V file will be less than 2 megabytes and compile in under 1 second. Cross-platform, runs on Android. They have hot code reloading. The native cross-platform GUI library. This is what I'm looking at. I want to check this out. I think for Mac you have to actually compile on a Mac, but maybe they'll fix that. Yeah, right here. Compiling Mac OS stuff only works on Mac for now. So maybe they'll fix that. It supports WASM. They have this what do you call it, a REPL. There's some examples. Here's a Fibonacci. So you can if you go in the chat room, they have an IRC chat on Freenode. It's just vimlang. all one word. Check it out. All right. See you guys. Bye.